Get ready to discover something that could change your outlook on the financial future. Did you know that Australia is preparing a financial move that could impact globally? Let's explore what's going on, why it's so important, and how it can affect you directly. Australia, known for its economic stability, is about to reveal financial secrets that could redefine the global market. What is behind this revolution? Governments and investors are eyeing new policies and strategies that promise to transform the Australian economy. But why does this matter to Americans? The answers may surprise you. Imagine a world where the rules of the economic game change dramatically. Why did Australia choose 2024 for this transformation? How can these changes influence global finance and your pocket? The stage is set for a real economic turnaround, and understanding these secrets can give you an edge. How is Australia planning for this financial turnaround? Discover the innovative strategies and policies behind this ambitious plan. What makes these measures so powerful? And why could they be the key to a more stable and prosperous future? Let's dive into the tactics that promise to shake up the global market. What if I told you that these changes in Australia could open up new opportunities for American investors? How can you directly benefit from these game-changing financial strategies? The what, why, and how of all this is about to be revealed, showing how knowledge of these secrets can be your greatest asset. Get ready for an informative and fascinating journey through the secrets of Australian finance 2024. This is a pivotal moment that can redefine economies and impact lives. Understand what's at stake, why it's so important, and how these revelations could change everything you know about finance. The future starts now, and you won't want to be left out. 1. The Australian Financial Revolution in 2024. Australia is poised to unveil an unprecedented financial revolution in 2024. This move promises to be an economic game-changer not just for Australia, but for the entire world. What exactly is at stake? New policies, regulations, and financial strategies are being formulated to take the Australian economy to the next level. These changes are significant because Australia has always been a bastion of economic stability. Now, it is preparing to take on a more prominent role on the global financial stage. Why did Australia choose 2024 to implement these changes? The answer lies in the convergence of several global and domestic economic trends. Australia is seizing the unique window of opportunity created by geopolitical shifts, technological advancements, and the urgent need for economic sustainability. With an eye on the future, Australian leaders are determined to position the country as a pioneer in financial innovation, setting a model that other nations can follow. How will these changes impact the rest of the world, especially Americans? Australia's new financial policies have the potential to create shockwaves in global markets. International investors are paying attention, and the repercussions of these changes can open up new investment opportunities and redefine economic strategies. For Americans, this could mean a chance to capitalize on new market trends, diversify portfolios, and benefit from a more dynamic and interconnected global financial market. 2. The global impact of Australia's new economic policies. Australia's new economic policies of 2024 promise to make a significant impact on the global financial landscape. Australia is positioning itself to be a leader in financial innovation, with strategies ranging from adopting emerging technologies to implementing sustainable policies. This strategic move is crucial not only for Australia but also for the global economy, as it could set off a series of chain reactions that will affect markets and investors around the world. What makes these policies so revolutionary? Australia is integrating technological advancements such as blockchain and artificial intelligence into its financial structures. These technologies will not only increase efficiency, but also ensure greater transparency and security in financial transactions. Additionally, Australia is adopting eco-friendly and sustainable policies, attracting environmentally conscious investors, and creating a market that is more resilient and adaptable to climate change. How will these changes influence Americans? U.S. investors have a unique opportunity to engage with a growing market that is at the forefront of financial innovation. Australia's new policies can offer investment alternatives that are both profitable and sustainable. In addition, U.S. companies can learn from and adopt innovative practices from Australia, improving their own operations and market strategies. Ultimately, Collaboration between the US and Australian markets can result in mutual and sustainable economic growth. 3. The role of technology in Australia's financial transformation. Technology plays a central role in the financial transformation that Australia is poised to experience in 2024. The adoption of new technologies such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and fintech is at the heart of Australian economic strategies. These innovations promise not only to modernize the financial system, but also to make it more efficient, secure, and accessible. Australia is positioning itself as a global leader in financial technology, setting standards that other countries can follow. Why is technology so crucial to this transformation? The integration of blockchain, for example, can revolutionize the way financial transactions are carried out, ensuring greater transparency and security. Artificial intelligence can optimize financial processes, from data analysis to risk management. Fintechs are democratizing access to financial services, making them more accessible to small businesses and individuals. These innovations are not just incremental improvements, but disruptive changes that could redefine the global financial sector. How will these technological innovations benefit Americans? Investors and businesses in the U.S. can take advantage of these new technologies to improve their operations and expand their market opportunities. Collaboration with Australian fintech companies could open doors to innovations that have not yet been widely adopted in the U.S. Additionally, U.S. consumers can benefit from more efficient and accessible financial services, while U.S. businesses can explore new partnerships and markets, driving economic growth and innovation. 4. Sustainability. The new paradigm of Australian finance. Sustainability is at the heart of Australia's new financial policies for 2024. The country is taking an innovative approach that combines economic growth with environmental responsibility. This paradigm shift is crucial in a world that is increasingly aware of climate change and the need for sustainable economic practices. Australia is setting an example for the rest of the world, showing that it is possible to prosper economically while protecting the environment. What motivates Australia to take this approach? Environmental awareness and pressure for sustainable policies are growing globally. Australia recognizes that sustainability is not only a moral obligation, but also an economic opportunity. Green policies can attract investors, stimulate innovation, and create jobs in new sectors. In addition, Australia is in a unique position to lead this change due to its abundance of natural resources and its commitment to research and development in renewable energy. How will this sustainable approach impact Americans? American investors have the chance to engage with a market that is at the forefront of sustainability. U.S. companies can learn from Australian practices and adopt similar policies, improving their reputation and attracting environmentally conscious consumers. In addition, collaboration between U.S. and Australian companies can result in technological and economic advancements that benefit both countries. Sustainability, therefore, is not just a trend, but an economic and moral imperative that is shaping the future of global finance. 5. Investment opportunities and economic growth. Australia's new financial policies in 2024 are creating a fertile environment for investment and economic growth. With a focus on innovation, technology, and sustainability, Australia is attracting investors from all over the world. This enabling environment offers numerous opportunities for those who are willing to explore new economic frontiers. The Australian market is becoming an epicenter of financial innovation, offering high potential returns for strategic investors. Why is Australia becoming an attractive investment destination? Proactive policies and a commitment to innovation are creating a dynamic and resilient economic environment. Australia is implementing reforms that make it easier to do business, encourage research and development, and attract foreign capital. In addition, the focus on sustainability is opening up new markets and opportunities, from renewable energy to green technologies. This combination of factors is positioning Australia as a leader in sustainable economic growth. How can U.S. investors benefit from these opportunities? Investing in Australia can offer portfolio diversification and access to growth markets. U.S. companies can explore strategic partnerships with Australian companies, taking advantage of emerging innovations and technologies. Additionally, individual investors can benefit from a robust and expanding financial market. With Australia at the forefront of financial innovation, Americans have a unique opportunity to participate in a global economic transformation that promises to redefine the future of finance. The secrets of Australian Finance 2024 are just the beginning of a global revolution. The implications of these changes go beyond borders, impacting markets and investors in unexpected ways. What else is coming, and how can you prepare for these transformations? Don't miss out on the next big wave of opportunities. As Australia continues to move forward, new technologies and sustainable policies are redefining the economic landscape. Why are these innovations so crucial now? And how can they shape the future of finance? Discover the answers and get ready for a new horizon of possibilities that could change everything we know about investing. The future of finance is being written now. How is Australia leading this change, and what does it mean for investors around the world? Stay tuned for upcoming revelations and stay informed. The key to a prosperous financial future lies in the decisions you make today. Be ready to explore new frontiers and take advantage of the opportunities that will arise.